Welcome to Niagara. Famous for its breathtaking waterfalls, charming towns, and incredible natural beauty, Niagara is a must-visit destination in Ontario. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through Niagara Falls, Niagara-on-the-Lake, and more, highlighting the best places to go, activities to enjoy, and festivals you can't miss. Let's dive in. Our first stop is the world-renowned Niagara Falls. Start your adventure by witnessing the stunning Horseshoe Falls, along with the American and Bridal Veil Falls. Hop on the Hornblower Niagara Cruise for a boat ride to the base of the falls. For a bird's-eye view, the Skylon Tower offers panoramic vistas. Afterward, stroll down Clifton Hill, known as the Street of Fun. From attractions to restaurants, there's something for everyone here. Next, we visit the charming Niagara-on-the-Lake, stroll through the historic Old Town, explore Fort George, and enjoy a scenic drive along the Niagara River Parkway. This town is perfect for relaxing and soaking in the historical atmosphere. Nature lovers will adore Niagara Parks. Start at the Botanical Gardens and the Butterfly Conservatory, home to over 2,000 butterflies. For hiking enthusiasts, the Niagara Glen Nature Reserve offers stunning river views. Seek an adrenaline rush with the Whirlpool Aero Car over the Niagara Whirlpool. Don't miss the iconic Niagara Falls illumination. Watch as the falls light up every evening. During the right season, catch the fireworks over the falls for a magical night. For a closer look at the powerful rapids, walk along the Whitewater Walk. Bird Kingdom is the world's largest free-flying indoor aviary, home to exotic birds. If you're visiting Niagara in winter, the Winter Festival of Lights is a must-see, with millions of lights illuminating the city. In summer, the Shaw Festival offers world-class theater performances. The Niagara Jazz Festival brings together top jazz musicians. After all that exploring, you'll need to refuel. For a dining experience with a special view, try the Keg Steakhouse. Also, you can try Antica Pizzeria and Ristorante. For a casual bite, Queen Charlotte Tea Room offers British fare. For more recommended restaurants, check the description below. From natural wonders and historic sites to unforgettable experiences and mouth-watering food, Niagara has it all. Whether you're here for a day or a week, there's always something new to discover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.